The one I like a little bit more, 59 with the extra 30% off. Normally 135, but both colorways is dope, and both of them are 59 with 30% off. One mid, definitely seen this one before. Paint comes off the top, does have extra lacing, and they do have full boxes of these, 135 on the retail. On the refurbished side, got some Jordan 1 lows here at the outlet. These are going for 55 bucks, size 11. Refurbished though, so these definitely been worn. You guys see how they did the toe box. Still a dope thing right here though.
Yeah, I did see that.
Oh, crazy Jordan 37 lows. Cool found these on the back wall. Probably been worn once or twice, but that's still cool, man. Full box for 49 bucks. Y'all see that with it 30% off. Size 11, that is clean, especially with the full box, bro. So they got these on deck, the Craft, but this is a huge ass size 18 for 210. That's kind of wild. Khaled's, nobody seems to want these. Still a dope shoe in my opinion, along with the Jordan 12. The shirts is here. Oh, they got these here too. We definitely picked up one of these last time. What's the price on them? 34 bucks. $34 makes these like $20. Makes this $20 right now. I definitely picked up one. We got the Air Ships here too. Definitely seen this colorway before. Thought this was a women's shoe, but I guess it's everybody's shoe. Definitely seen these at a few different outlets. Still full retail of $250, size 10.5 on that. Jordan 1 lows. Got some Jordan 1 lows here. Size 7 for 120 with the 40% off on those two. This is not a bad colorway. Remember taking the 40% off of all this stuff here. 179 as opposed to 220. It's cooking here at the outlet, man. There's a lot of good selections for the personal or for flipping. 109 side. Then we got the golf, the Jordan 6 golf low, 220, still full retail for these. So I got the Jordan golf shoe here, normally 180 down to 179, but you take 40% off of that, bro. These golf shoes are pretty clean. I like this colorway right here. Got the shiny material, the patent leather feature on here. Can never go wrong with this with a Jordan 1 golf shoe. I mean, people might still try to wear these for regular. You know what I mean? I don't know. If you guys ever wore golf shoes for regular, let me know. Then they also have the Panda highs, but they're golf also. 179 with an additional 40% off. Anybody wearing these shoes like regular shoes, even though they're golf? I'm curious to see if somebody's doing that. Pretty good size, one of them also. We got some more golf, Court Purple golf, size 14, 99 bucks with the 40% off on that too. They got a few sizes here available, which is a good thing to see.
Does this go on the floor?
I mean, if you want to take it, take it.
Oh, that's crazy.
Jordan.
That's dope. That's clean.
If this was my size, I would definitely.
Wow. Never seen this in person before.
It's a size 9.
40% off?
Those are fine. I know.
40% off
if it
of
was my
these.
size. It's a size 9 though.
Okay, somewhere intended from
400, I think. This one's
Five.
500.
500. Never seen these in person ever. Damn.
Those are fire though.
Thanks for showing, man.
this is-
For sure. Those are
I
clean.
think it was last Christmas. I think around last Christmas. Is that when these came out?
2021.
Oh, was it?
And now these Jordan 2s right here. This one right here is pretty dope, actually. What size is this? Size 11.5, still full retail $225. However, you get the extra 40% off, which is dope. You guys know me, this might be thumbnail shorty right here. Good quality on this shoe here. I wonder why they returned it. Maybe they thought they could sell it and couldn't. Pretty clean shoe though. I like this colorway. The box is even dope too. Very creative on this Jordan 2. And we just bringing out some retros right there too. Pretty dope. Khaled's 5 Crafts. Jordan 5 Crafts came out. Jordan 1 Cements. He just put the Khaled's up there.
Or no.
All kinds of heats. All kinds of heat coming out here. 40% off. Look at this. All the heat. You got Crafts, 6s. He got 1s over there in hand. Jordan 6. One of the best Jordan 6s to come out this year so far, in my opinion, bro. They got them here with the 40% off. You can't go wrong with that, bro. Thumbnail City all day. This is not clickbait. This right here is a pretty big size too. Not my size, of course. Size 11 though. 40% off. Khaled Jordan 5s. 225. Size 9.5. 40% off though. Or you find some comforts. Don't recall seeing this colorway in person or at the retail stores. Not just yet. Maybe we have. If we have, comment down below. Christmas in July, as she said. What are these? 200, size 9, full retail. 40% off on these, size 9. Not a bad Jordan 5 right here, to be honest with you. They got another pair right there. $149.97 with the extra 40% off on that. That's pretty dope. I didn't know it had the extra. Well, I definitely knew that there, I guess. So yeah, still here chilling out. A few sizes available, only 3. 9, 11, and 11. 2 size 11 and another one down there too. On the women's section here, looks like we got some Jordan 2 lows, actually grade school size. A lot of people like this colorway. Lucky green was not a bad one. $140 with the 40% off on these. You're a grade school buyer, you're in luck with these. Now, this is a grade school size, but this colorway on the Westbrook Why Not 6 is truly one of the better colorways. If I find this in a size 13, super cheap, I might have to scoop it up. I like the zipper, reminds me of the Gary Payton shoe. Talked about that before. $74.97 with 40% off, normally $120. Yeah, you can't go wrong with these, bro. Box is pretty clean too. Some sizes left, but like I said, it's only grade school. At some point, we will try those on at the outlet, just like they do in the retail stores. They got these on deck for the little kids. 40% off of these as well. There's been rumors just say that they had Jordan 4 Thunders here too, but I missed out on those. Jordan 11 low with the snakeskin around the toe box or mud guard for the ladies. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway, of course, in the comments below.
Hey, yo, bro, who y'all think got the best handles, yo?
Man, Kyrie off tops.
Hold on, better than Jamal Crawford?
What? Easy.